Hey everybody,
Hi.
welcome back. And for this one, we're showing you how to draw a blue
Whale.
Here we go. So easy. For the blue whale, we've got our page
Yeah.
horizontally. No, you know what I mean? Landscape, not portrait. So we got it this way around. And we're gonna start right at the back here. And we're gonna go all the way around and we're gonna make like a teardrop shape at the top here. So watch this. And around, and we stop at the bottom. A nice flowing shape. And now over here we draw a fin. You got that? Now we take this line behind that fin and we take it back there, up to the back, to the tail. You got that? Easy enough? Now we draw a nice little whale tail. And bring it in, like a fishy tail shape. Got that? And we can add some lines. The whale tail. And on this side, we're going to draw the other fin. That's on the other side of it. Now, we need to form his mouth. And it's going to go under his wing. Look here. So we're going to do a line that curls up this way, down under the fin, and back there. So, from the midpoint here, do this. Come down. Under there and back there. You got a whale? Yep. Now blue whales, they are known for having that lines in the bottom of their chin that runs all the way down the body. So we're gonna add some lines like this. And we're gonna run it all the way back there. Yep. Blue whale lines. And now we're going to add a big little eye. And we're going to add the reflection.
Yep.
And we'll make a big pupil. And the blue whale, we can add a little eyebrow. Even though whales don't have eyebrows, I was gonna have a little eyebrow just to make him look cute. And what do they have on the top?
A hole.
A blowhole. So we can add a little splash coming out of there. And add droplets. What's under my page? Some wax on your candle. You whale gonna have a eyebrow? No?
No.
No, okay. That's a cute whale with this giant eye. So there we have it, everybody. You like your whale, Fizzy? Was that simple enough?
Yep.
Okay, let's get coloring. So blue whales are?
Blue.
They are blue. Here we go. Blue, 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 blue. Okay, which blue do we go with? What color is this? This is almost. Is this blue? Yes, this is blue. So I'm gonna go with my blue. And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's our blue whales. Izzy, did you know that a blue whale is the size of a bus? Or even bigger?
Oh my god, I didn't
Blue
know.
whales are the largest mammals on the planet. I'll show you a picture of a blue whale again. I'll show you videos. We can YouTube a video.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. And I want to tell you, I'm making another teddy bear dragon.
Yeah. So Izzy's got another character, and he's a dragon.
Yeah. I think the eye look good. The eye color look good on the dragon.
Oh, so this eye color looks good on the dragon.
Yeah.
Yeah, so watch out for that next video of Izzy's, where Izzy's gonna show me how to draw his dragon character.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. Be good
And have fun.
and have fun. Bye.
Bye.